Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to fix your Atlas Earth. Okay, so for some reason the game keeps breaking on Android, and I don't really know what's going on. It might be breaking for iOS too, but this is an Android tutorial. Okay, so first things first, I want you to go to your app data. Okay, your app info there, going to your recent, and then going to the storage. Okay, and then once you go to that, clear data at the bottom and clear cache. Okay, and then once you do that, oh, here's another way. So you can go into your settings, go to your apps. Okay, and then go back to the Atlas Earth app. Okay, and then you can go back to storage again and clear cache and then clear data again. Okay, now that is another way to also clear it. Same way, but just two different ways. Okay, but then you can go back on to Atlas Earth and it should start loading again. All right. Yeah, you gotta watch this guy again. I think he might be the CEO. Shouts out to the dude with the mustache, John. Like he with the fit. Yeah, you know what I mean. All right, so yeah. So after that, you're back in there. Atlas Earth works. Atlas Earth works. You go on here, and it just works. After clearing the cache and clearing the data. But if you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.